السلام عليكم. كي دايرين لاباس؟ كل شي مزيان؟ الحمد لله. Today I'm gonna teach you expressions of time in Moroccan Arabic. You are going to learn how to say sorry I'm late, I don't have time, take your time, and other expressions like this. So are you ready? Let's get started. The first expression is ما تعطلش. ما تعطلش, which means don't be late. Let's see the next one. أنا كنتسناك. أنا كنتسناك, which means I'm waiting for you. Now let's say it in a sentence. أنا كنتسناك ما تعطلش. أنا كنتسناك ما تعطلش. Can you guess what does it mean? Exactly. I'm waiting for you. Don't be late. Okay, now let's go to see expression number 3. Smelly تعطلت. Smelly تعطلت. It means sorry, I'm late. Alright, that's cool. Now let's go to see expression number 4. بكري. بكري. بكري, which means early. But let's use the word بكري in a sentence. You would say أنا وصلت بكري. أنا وصلت بكري, which means I arrived early. Or you can also say أنت وصلتي بكري. أنت وصلتي بكري. You arrived early. مزيان. Now let's go to see expression number 5, which is دابا. دابا, which means right now. But let's see the word دابا in a sentence. أنا مجي دابا. أنا مجي دابا, which means I'm coming right now. That's great. Expression number 6. من بعد. من بعد, which means later. So in what sentence do you think we can say the word later?
See you later.
Of course. So the sentence would be نشوفك من بعد. نشوفك من بعد. Alright, that's great. Now let's go to see expression number 7. مدة طويلة. مدة طويلة, which means long time. In a sentence, it would be something like مدة طويلة ما شفتك. مدة طويلة ما شفتك, which means long time no see. Okay, let's go to see expression number 8. ما عنديش الوقت. ما عنديش الوقت. Let's break it down. We have the word ما عنديش, which stands for I don't have, and the word الوقت, which means time. خذ وقتك is expression number 9. Again, خذ وقتك. خذ وقتك. And the last expression we are going to see today would be الوقت كيطير. الوقت كيطير. It's a very Moroccan expression which means time is running so fast. It's used in many situations, but one of them would be if you want someone to hurry. For example, يلا خويا الوقت كيطير. Again, يلا خويا الوقت كيطير, which is hurry up bro, time is running so fast. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you guys have learned something. Also, if you are interested in private lessons, you will find the link in the description below. And feel free to leave a comment, share and subscribe. Until I see you again, goodbye for now. Bslama!